Hey guys, so in this video I am going to show you how you can set the icon of any app in Android Studio. So basically we can set it in three types: text, clip art and image. I'm going to show you all three types. So let's just jump into it. So this is a very easy process. First of all, what we'll do is we go here in app, we'll right click on it and we'll go in new and image asset. Once this window has opened, see all these icons, right? So this is the icon which will show by default when you run any kind of application if you haven't changed the icon. So there are three types of icons which we can set. There is image, clip art and text. So most basic is text. Here you can just write anything. Yeah, see I have written the name, it comes here like this. You can just select any kind of font for it. You can change the color to red, anything. Yeah, you can trim, you can resize the text. All these things can be done, but I don't need text, so I can also show you the clip art. See, clip art, there are various kinds of clip art in Android Studio itself. Once you click on this, a new window will appear. See this window, see all these clip arts are there, right? So we can just select any kind of clip art. We'll just select this. Okay, see the image icon will come like this. You can also resize it, same. You can set the color, everything. So we want the image, right? So we'll go to image and we'll just click on these three dots. This is the browse kind of button. So I've already created an image which will be on my desktop. See, desktop R1. Okay, see, this is the image I've created, right? So here I'll just trim it. Yeah, I can align this like this. Yeah, see, I've aligned it. Now I'll go to the background layer. In background layer, see back here the background green color is coming and this grid lines, right? So I don't want it. I'll just go to color. I'll just select the black one. Yeah, this looks good. And we can't trim anything here, so we'll go to legacy. In legacy, see what in legacy what you do is when the icon appears in your menu or on the Play Store anywhere, the shape of the icon will be either like this, like circle, right? So you can set the default. So I want it in circular shape. Here also circle. Yeah, so once this is done, we'll just click on next and we'll click on finish. Once we have finished this, we just have to run the application on the mobile phone and you can see the app icon which you have set here on the mobile phone. So basically my AVD is a little slow, so I'll just debug the application on my mobile phone. So I have debugged the application on the mobile phone. See, this is how the logo will look. See the R, the circular shape and the name of the application. Even in the menu, see here the R. Once you go in the application and see, the icon appears here also. So this is how it will look on the mobile phone. Randomization. So this is how you can set the icon of any app in Android Studio. So I've created various tutorials based on Android Studio. The playlist for the same has been given down below in the description, so you can go and watch it. Share the video, like it if you find it useful, and subscribe to my channel for further more videos. And yeah, thank you.